Here is how to enable private service for your Roblox game. First, you need to go ahead and open roblox.com, log into your account, tap and create in the top of the screen that is between Marketplace and the search icon. Now this will take you to the Creator Hub. From this page, tap on Creations that is below the Home option in the left-hand side of the screen. Now go ahead and select the experience or the game where you want to enable private service for. Let's go ahead and open this WoW. Now on the left, you need to go ahead and tap on Access. You'll get this option under your audience. Go to Access Settings. From this page, scroll all the way down, and here under Additional Settings, you'll get the option of Allow Private Service. Here you can choose to toggle this on or off to allow or not allow private service in your Roblox game. Once you toggle it on, if you want to charge Robux for private service, you can toggle on Requires Robux and enter the amount. To make them free, leave it off. And then click on Save Changes, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.